In this video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to change your password from Microsoft Office 365 or Office.com. So let's say you've logged on to Office.com and you want to actually change your password. The easiest way to change your password is to go to settings. Here you can see we have settings, and here we have password. You can see it says change your password. So by clicking change your password, automatically it's going to give you the option to actually first of all enter your old password and then re-enter the new one and then confirm the new password. So when you hit the submit button, automatically your password will be changed, and then you will need to actually refresh your browser to re-log on with the new password. So this is how you change your password in Microsoft 365 or Office.com from the cloud in less than 30 seconds. Thank you very much for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Bye.